Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a virtual assistant business with Upwork, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on the virtual assistant industry. Identify your niche within the virtual assistant field, such as administrative support, social media management, or customer service. Create a list of skills you possess that are relevant to your chosen niche. Develop a unique value proposition that sets you apart from other virtual assistants. Set up a professional email address to maintain communication with clients. Create a detailed resume highlighting your skills and experiences related to virtual assistants. Sign up for an Upwork account if you don't already have one. Complete your Upwork profile with a professional photo and a compelling bio. List your skills on your profile to attract the right clients. Define your hourly rate based on research of the market and your level of expertise. Upload samples of your previous work or create examples that showcase your capabilities. Take advantage of Upwork's skills tests to validate your expertise. Begin searching for jobs that match your skills and interests. Craft personalized proposals for each job you apply for, addressing the client's specific needs. Be concise and clear in your proposals, emphasizing how you can help the client. After submitting proposals, be prepared to communicate with potential clients promptly. Consider setting up a portfolio website to showcase your work further. Once you land your first client, ensure open lines of communication throughout the project. Deliver high-quality work on time to build a strong reputation. Request feedback from clients after completing projects to strengthen your profile. Use the feedback to refine your skills and improve your profile. As your business grows, consider specializing further to attract higher-paying clients. Explore additional ways to market your services, such as social media or networking groups. Continuously update your Upwork profile with new skills and completed projects. Monitor industry trends to stay competitive and adjust your offerings accordingly. Reassess your rates periodically to ensure they align with your experience and the market demand. Invest in your development through courses or certifications relevant to your niche. Engage with the Upwork community to learn from other freelancers and gain insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.